Myself, Professor Mahajan PR from ENTC department. In today's session, we are going to discuss about second practical. The aim of the practical is execute C program to perform following arithmetic operation on 8-bit data like addition, subtraction. In this practical, we are going to perform two arithmetic operations. First one is addition and the second one is subtraction. For this purpose, we have to use following arithmetic operators. For performing addition operation, we have to use this operator. For example, z is equal to x plus y. Next, for performing subtraction operation, we have to use this symbol. For example, P is equal to Q minus R. Next, for doing multiplication, we have to use this symbol. For example, C is equal to A into B. Next, for performing division operation, we have to use this notation. For example, U is equal to S divided by T. This is the problem statement for performing addition and the subtraction operation. Execute program to perform following arithmetic operation on 8-bit data like addition and subtraction. Now we'll discuss algorithm for performing addition operation. The first step is you have to declare 3 unsigned character variables. Next, you have to assign data to 2 variables. Next, you have to perform addition operation. Next, you have to display the results on board. Next, wait. Now, this is the flowchart for performing arithmetic operation for addition. So, for this purpose, you have to initialize 3 variables x, y, z. Next step is you have to add 2 numbers and next you have to display the result on output port. This is the program for performing addition operation. The first you have to initialize for initialization purpose we have to use hash include reg51.h. Next, void main void. This indicates start with main function. Open curly bracket. Next, you have to assign 3 8-bit variables. Unsigned character x, y, z, semicolon. This indicates declaration of 8-bit variables. Next, x is equal to 0 hex 34 semicolon. Consider x as an input variable and y is an also input variable. So you have to assign some value. Y is equal to 0 hex 24 semicolon. Now we have to configure P1 as an output port. So for this purpose we have to use P1 is equal to 0 hex 00 semicolon. This indicates configuration of P1 as an output port. Next, we have to do addition. For this purpose, we have to use instruction as z is equal to x plus y. Next, we have to send the result on port P1. P1 is equal to Z semicolon. Means the result of addition is sent to this port P1. Here P1 acts as an output port, while 1 semicolon. Next you have to use closing curly bracket. This indicates what? This indicates end of the main. Next we will discuss algorithm for performing subtraction operation. For this purpose, initially you have to declare 3 unsigned character variables. You can take any 3 variables. Next, you have to assign data to 2 variables. Next, you have to perform subtraction operation. Next, display the result on given output port. This is the program for performing subtraction operation. Earlier we have discussed program for addition operation. Here you have to just replace plus sign by using this negative sign for performing subtraction operation. Now we will discuss the program in detail. Hash include reg51.h. For initialization purpose, we are using hash include reg51.h void main void. Open curly bracket unsigned character x, y, z. This indicates declaration of 8-bit variables. Here we have used 3 variable x, y, z. Now we have to assign values for x and y. X is equal to 0 hex 34 semicolon, y is equal to 0 hex 24 semicolon. Here x and y are used as input variables. Next, we have to configure P1 as output port. So use P1 is equal to 0 hex 00. This indicates P1 is configured as output port. Next, you have to use Z is equal to x minus y. For performing subtraction operation, we have used this negative sign. Next, we have to use P1 is equal to Z semicolon. So here the data is sent to port P1. Here P1 acts as an output port. Means the result is displayed on port P1. While 1 semicolon. Next you have to use closing curly bracket. This indicates end of main. Now we will discuss these programs on Kill software. Now we will discuss how to execute arithmetic operation by using Kill software. First, we will see the program for addition operation. For creating new project, you have to click on project. Next, you have to click on new project. Here, you have to assign file name. Suppose file name is ESY add. Next, you have to save this file. Next step is you have to select device. For this purpose, you have to click on plus sign of this atom name and select device as AT89C51. Again, click on OK. Here you will see one message. You just have to click on No. Next step is you have to click on File. Next, click on New. Again, save this file by using same name as previous ESY add. But here we have to use extension as .c because here we are using programming language as embedded C. Next, you have to click on Save. On left side of this workspace, you will see here target 1. You have to click on plus sign of this target 1. Next process is you have to right click on source group 1. Next, click on add files to group source group 1. Here you have to assign same file name ESY add.c. You have to add this file. Next, you have to click on close. Here you will see your file. Here you have to write down program for performing addition operation. This is the program for performing addition operation. In this program, we have used #include reg51.h. For initialization purpose, we use here #include reg51.h. Void main void. Next, we have used open curly bracket. Next, we have used here unsigned character x, y, z. For declaration purpose of 8-bit variables, we have used here 3 variables x, y, and z. In this program, we use x and y as input variable and z as output variable. So now we have to assign some values to x and y. So here we assign x is equal to 0 hex 34 semicolon and y as 0 hex 24. Next, we have to configure P1 as output port. P1 is equal to 0 hex 00 semicolon. Next, we have to perform addition operation. For this purpose, we have to use this instruction z is equal to x plus y semicolon. Means in this program we have used x is equal to 34 and y is equal to 24. So addition of 34 and 24 is 58. So the result is displayed on port P1 because here we have used P1 as output port. While 1 semicolon. Next, we have used here closing curly bracket. This indicates end of main. Now we will find out errors of this program. For this, you have to right click on source group 1. Next, you have to click on build target. Here you will see the errors of your program at the bottom of this window. So here our program is error free, means now we can debug our program. For debugging purpose of this program, we need to click on debug. Next, you have to click on start stop debug session. Next, click on OK. In this program, we have used P1 as output port. For selecting this port, we need to click on peripherals. Next, you have to click on input output ports and choose port P1. Now, we will run this program. For this purpose, we have to click on run. Here, you will see the result of our program. So here, the result z is equal to x plus y, that is 34 plus 24 is 58. This result is displayed on port P1. So here you will see that P1 is equal to 58. Next, we will perform subtraction operation. Now we will discuss how to perform subtraction operation. Now this is the program for performing subtraction operation. In this we have used hash include reg51.h. For initialization purpose, we use here hash include reg51.h, void main void, open curly bracket, unsigned character x, y, z. For declaration of 8-bit variables, here we use 3 variables x, y, z. Next, we have to assign some values to x and y. So here we assign 34 value to x. X is equal to 0 hex 34 semicolon and y is equal to 0 hex 24. Here x and y acts as an input variable and z is output variable. Now we have to use P1 as output port. For this purpose, we need to configure P1 as output port. For performing subtraction operation, we need to use here z is equal to x minus 5. In our program, we use here x is equal to 34 and y is equal to 24. So, by performing subtraction, we will get here 34 minus 24 is 10. So, z is equal to x minus y. The whatever result, the result will get sent on port P1 because P1 acts as an output port. So, the result is sent on port P1. While one semicolon, next we have to use closing curly bracket. This indicates end of main program. So, now we will find out errors of this program. For finding out errors, we need to right click on source group 1. Next, you have to click on build target. At the bottom of this window, we will see the errors of program. Our program is error free. Now we will debug this program. For debugging this program, we need to click on start stop debug session. Next, you have to click on OK. In this program, we use P1 as output port. So, we have to select port P1. For this purpose, you have to click on peripherals. Next, click on input output ports and choose port P1. Next, to run this program, you just have to click on debug. Next, click on run. Here, you will see the output of program 34 minus 24 is 10. The output is displayed on port P1. Thank you for watching this video.